What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And of course, we're getting ready to talk about money. A quick video filled with gold nuggets to help you level up financially. But before we do, please help the channel out with a like and a subscribe. Now, in this video, it's all about business loans and lines of credit. I've been talking to people lately and they've been saying, hey, we need you to make some videos where people that have some credit challenges can still get some money to level up too. And hey, once upon a time, that was me. Remember, I was bankrupt. Check back on some of my old videos where I talk about how I went from bankruptcy to an 800 credit score. It was not easy. It took years. And I know that when you're dealing with challenges, it can take time to alleviate those things. You know, getting your money right is not a snap your fingers process. It takes time. So I went around hunting on the internet and I found 4 resources to get you business loans and lines of credit that have lower credit requirements and don't require you to be in business forever. They all have specifics. So without further delay, let's just jump right into it. The first one that I'm going to show to you is Bluevine. Now, Bluevine has business loans available from $6,000 all the way up to $250,000. You only have to be in business for 6 months and you only need a credit score of 600. Those are huge pros for Bluevine. Of course, the low amount of time that you have to be in business, having a line of up to 250 grand and only needing a credit score of 600. That's huge. But on the downside, they do have a monthly revenue requirement. It's not available if you're in the Dakotas or Puerto Rico or any other U.S. territory like St. Kitts or St. Martin. And there is no mobile app for this particular product. So the first one is Bluevine. It has some pros, it has some cons, but that's everything in life, right? Next, we have Funding Circle. Funding Circle has even bigger loan amounts available, anywhere from 25 grand up to $500,000. Now, you do have to be in business for 2 years for this particular company, and you need a credit score of 660. So credit score need to be a little bit higher. You need to be in business a little bit longer. But on the good side, they do fund in sometimes as little as 48 hours, and there is no minimum annual revenue requirement. So that's pretty big. Another downfall is they do charge a loan origination fee, and they can be anywhere from 3.5% to 7%. That could get pretty pricey depending on the amount of your loan. The next one that I have to share with you is On Deck. On Deck has loan amounts between $5,000 and $250,000. You only have to be in business for 1 year. You only need a credit score of 625 to qualify. They actually have loan and line products, so that gives them even more value. You can get term loans up to $250,000, business lines of credit up to $100,000. Same day funding could apply if you qualify. And of course, you only need a credit score of 625. Now, on the flip side, as far as what could be considered cons, is you do need to have $100,000 minimum annual revenue. You have to be operating for at least 1 year. And again, they don't do business in North or South Dakota or Nevada. So the last one that I have to share with you is Fundbox. Fundbox does loans as little as $1,000 up to $150,000. So you could even get the micro loans. So I'm talking 1,000, 5,000, 3,000 micro loans. Okay, all the way up to 150 grand. 6 months in business is a requirement. You need a credit score of 600. You can usually get your decision the same day within minutes. Next day funding is available, but they do only have short-term repayments. So that's usually like maybe up to 24 months or something like that, a couple years. And they only go up to 150 grand. Those are 4 options for you to get your hands on some money if you have some credit challenges and you need that money to help level up. There's some ways for you to get your hands on some money. Again, it won't be the best terms, but as you get your score and your credit profile improved, you'll be able to qualify for even better products. But this is something to keep you rolling while you work on getting there. So that's what I got for you today, guys. 4 business funding options. Hope you found value in that content. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, pop that notification bell too while you're at it. YouTube thinks that this is the next video that you should watch. So make sure you check this video out. But until I come back to you again with my next video, I want to thank you for watching and tell you that I'm 100% gone.